Let's take a look at the lesson, Add Multiples of 100. It says evaluate. 100 plus 200 is equal to a number. Well, I know that we can have hundreds, tens, and ones, and we can represent those with pictures like these, hundreds, tens, and ones. Well, we will not need ones or tens for this, so we will use hundreds. For this picture, I would have 100 plus 2 more hundreds. How many hundreds do I have altogether? 1, 2, 3. I have 3 hundreds, which would be 300. So my answer is 300. Next I have 0 plus 0. Well, I know if I have nothing, 0, and I add nothing to it, 0, then my answer is going to be 0 because there is nothing there. There are no circles or no hundreds, so we will put 0. Next we have 100 plus 0. Let's draw our picture. If I draw 100 and then I draw 0 more hundreds, how many hundreds do I have? Yeah, just one, 100. Now if I have 300 and I draw 0 more hundreds, how many hundreds do I have? Absolutely, just 3 hundreds, because that is all I would have drawn, and I didn't even need to draw for this picture because we are just adding 0. Here it is again. Let's show it with a picture this time. 3 hundreds plus 0 hundreds is equal to 1, 2, 3 hundreds. Next we have 100 plus 100. There is 100. And there is another 100. That is 1, 2 hundreds. So 200. Now if we have no hundreds or 0 hundreds and then we draw 2 hundreds, because we are adding 0 plus 200, what is our answer? Yes, 200. 0 plus any number will always be that same number. And I see it down here. Now we have 200 plus 100. 1, 200 plus 1 more 100. I see 1, 2, 3 hundreds, which looks like this, 300. There's a 3 in the hundreds place. There is my answer. Here we have 100 plus 200. I will draw 100, and then I will draw 2 more hundreds. How many hundreds is that? 1, 2, 3. There is a 3 in the hundreds place, and then we have no tens and no ones. 300. There it is. Now we have 300 plus 0. So 1, 2, 3 hundreds plus nothing else. So that's still just 300. Great. Amazing job today, friends.